Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello, my lovely students. In this video, inshallah, I will show you how to make a movie maker using Movie Maker app. You have to download the app on your device. Of course, you can just Google it. Movie Maker, M-O-V-I-E, Maker, M-A-K-E-R. Movie Maker download. Movie Maker download. And you may be able to download the app. I got this one. I download it from here. I share this link with you and I click on this option, Windows Movie Maker. And just for saving time, I got the app. I install it. Go to your start menu and then search for it. Movie, M-O-V-I-E, Movie Maker. Here we go. This is the app. The interface have like many tabs: Home tab, Animation tab, Visual Effect tab, Project, and View. When we go back to Home tab, our movie should be appear here. And this is our working area or our timeline area. I want to add photos. I can add photos and I can add videos. I click here to add, and then I may be able to start adding. I have some pictures. Let me check my document if I have some. Okay. I have those drawing. I have this picture. This one, those are grade 1 drawing. I got like 5 pictures. I want to use them. 5, 6 pictures. I want to upload those 6 pictures. They are grade 1 drawing using Paint. This one, this one, this one, this ice cream, and this is the school bus. I got like 5 pictures. I want to make them like a movie. Any movie, of course, can be add music. I can add a music to it. I can add a music from audio file. I can go to free music, or I can connect some website like Vimeo, or I can add one from my laptop. Click add music and you may browse your laptop if you have a playlist. I don't have a music, just I want to show you how you can add a music. I want to add like a title. Of course, every movie have a title. Click on the title. The title will appear at the beginning of the movie. So when I go title, I may be able to add my title. I got like 2 tabs if you're here. This is text tool format, and then I may write my movie name. I can name it Grade 1 Paint Skills. I'm sharing grade 1 Paint Skills. Of course, I can format my text. Always highlight your text. You may be able to change the font type. You may be able to change the font color, make it bold, like. You may change the font color from here, make it yellow. Change the font size from here. I can resize it, make it bigger or smaller. Centerize it, change the text alignment. And I can animate my movie by adding those effects. Click on the arrow to see the whole options. As you can see, I can animate it like this. I love this one. Okay, I add animation. Of course, I can change also the background color. I love to use like a gray background color. I can view it from here. Click to play the movie. You can read the title of our movie. Now I have photos. I want to animate the photos. Click on Animation tab. And I click on the first photo. This animation for the first one. I can scroll the menu. Can see like many other animation. I have this heart shape. I can pick any other animation for the other photo. Like this one. I animate this one. Animation between each photo. Many options. I want this one. For the ice cream, I want this one. I want this one. For the school bus, I may add this one. So I animated. As you can see, it changed. As you can see, the animation name, you can read it from here. This is animation tab, and also you can do like pen and zoom options, other options. Like I can rotate it, click on the photo, do it one by one, or you can click apply to all. Apply to all just for saving time. Also, you can do apply all to all, and you can change the duration of each photo, duration from here. Of course, we got like many other visual effects. I can also change the brightness, change apply to all, but for my drawing, I don't suggest to add visual effect. This is the project name. I can record my voice. I can paste it with video. I can paste it with music. How do you want to be viewed? Like a wide screen or a standard? Okay, wide screen like for YouTube channel, a view 16:9, or standard like a square 4:3. Okay, this is the view. Of course, you can view it. I can read the waveform. I can view, preview, and full screen. Let me click preview and full screen. Let me go back to the beginning of my video. Oh, sorry. This is the beginning. This is my movie. It's about grade 1 paint skills. I'm sharing their photos. We do copy and paste in Paint. We learn how to do copy and paste. We draw with shapes. We draw sun, like a city. And also we draw star flag. And you can see the animation. We add animation. We add the transition between each photo. This is for grade 2. We write a text, use a text, and we draw an ice cream for Muhammad. It was his birthday. And the last one is the school bus. I hope you like it. Click back to Movie Maker to close the view. How can I save it? Of course, I can share it immediately. YouTube, Facebook, OneDrive, other websites. I can share it with a group. I can share it with Flickr, Vimeo, YouTube, Facebook, and OneDrive. But when I save it in my laptop, I just click Save Movie for computer. Save Movie for computer. Of course, I can share it with other devices. I can share it to phone, iPhone, Apple, other tablet setting, website setting. I can save it as I like. But for my case, I just save it to my computer. Save for my computer, of course, I have to choose the file name. I want to save it in my desktop. I choose the file location. Of course, as you can see, the save as type, and then I save it. Now it's loading. I'm done. I hope you got it. If you have any question about Movie Maker or how to make a movie, let me know in the comment and I will check them. Can you play your video file now? Yes, let me see it. Play now. Now I'm playing my video. It's loading. This is perfect. I can share it, can view it with my video player. That's it. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you.